Good morning, everybody. RV living with the geezer. And I'm just pulling away from the Walmart down here in Azle, Sunday morning. And I didn't think I was coming down here to the Walmart in Azle this morning. I guess I didn't have to stop that way. All right. But Miss Luna decided to chew up my charging cable on my phone. So, yeah, it didn't take her long either. I turned my back for a couple of minutes and I looked over and she's on the couch gnawing on something. I thought she was chewing on that, like that loose material on my couch, that junk they put on there, like paper thin. And I go over there and she had chewed the metal part that plugs into the phone. You could see her teeth marks where she just mashed it together. So I guess that was a tasty treat she got this morning, huh? I do like this Walmart here because it's got a light to get you in and out of it, because it's here in Azle, that Walmart is always busy. This is 730 North, going back to Boyd. So while I was down here, I just hadn't eaten anything, so I ran into Whataburger and got a breakfast platter. Not the one with the pancakes, though. I was a good boy. I got the scrambled eggs, the bacon, and comes with a biscuit, and I didn't eat the biscuit. So I'm starting out right again. Yeah, Azle's a good, nice town. It's really growing, though. I checked the population a while ago. I think they said in 2021, I believe, it had almost 15,000. And I know it's growing a lot rapidly, with Fort Worth coming this way. But yeah, I was just going to stay home all day, but I was thinking back, this is a trip I made this morning that back when I was growing up, wouldn't have had to make this trip, because we didn't have charging cables on our phones, and, there would have been no charging cable for her to chew up. Our phone was attached to the wall. Even after I grew up, heck, when we were living in Wynwood back in the 80s, I don't even know if did they have cell phones in the 1980s? I remember, I know I didn't have one. Our phone was a wall-mounted phone in the kitchen. We didn't even have an answering machine on that phone. If you called and we were home and we answered it, you got a hold of us. But if we didn't, you didn't get a hold of us. Nothing real wrong with doing things that way. Sure does take a lot of, takes a lot of stress, I guess, out of life. Even on a Sunday morning, got a little bit of traffic down here. Azle is a busy little place. So is Decatur. My gosh. Well, like I said, Fort Worth's coming this way, but Decatur for a town of 6,000, it's got a lot of traffic right there around the main intersections. Azle's split in half by Highway 199. That runs east and west. So part of the town, it's split on the north side of the road and the south side of the road. Yeah, go on back home. I don't think our Cowboys are scheduled to lose till 3:30 today. 3:15, something like that. They're playing the Eagles. I think we played the Eagles already. I think we beat them. I think that was one of our 3 wins that we have. Pretty sure. I might be wrong. I'm getting out of town now. I'm going to try to get over to Mineral Wells this week. Get some crazy water, and I don't know. That'd be a big temptation to eat a hamburger bun, though, at Woody's. I know I'm not going to go in there and peel the meat and the vegetables off and just eat those. That might, if I go, that might have to be my splurge for the week. I guess it doesn't hurt nothing to have a splurge like once a week, as long as it doesn't grow into multi-splurges, huh? Beautiful day. It's 65 degrees. Not a cloud in the sky that I can see. This guy in front of us having fun on that motorcycle, weaving around. I contacted Gigi over there in Nacogdoches, and she's recuperating from a gallbladder surgery they did on her. A lot of y'all watch her channel, I know. It's called Crazy for Jesus. There he goes, passing on a double yellow. You can see nobody was coming, but still, that's probably a $500 fine if a cop had crested that hill right then. And she asked me to, she knows a lot of y'all are her viewers also, and she just asked me to let y'all know that she was recuperating from a gallbladder operation, and it wasn't an easy one. It had some complications going with it. So if y'all say a prayer for her, she's getting better, but it might be a while before she puts out any videos. So yeah, I'm glad I remembered. I told her I would. She asked me to do that. I told her I would if I could remember. So fortunately, the odds of me remembering is probably pretty low, but I did. Pat myself on the back. What does Rusty say? Ye who patteth or something. If you don't patteth your own back, you may not get a patteth. Something like that. Alright, we're coming into the big town of Briar, Texas. And it is home to 2 separate, it's got both a Dollar General and almost right next door a Family Dollar store. And then it's got on the right up here, it's got a couple of these stations, these gas stations, and the way they survive up here, they have those I don't know if y'all know those 8-liner games in them. They're sort of like slot machines, which are illegal in Texas. But they get away with it. I mean, people, I don't play them, but I know people that do, and they get paid money when they do hit something. But the odds are like, they're worse than slot machines. So, and those businesses make a lot of money off those 8-liners. Yeah, I don't know how they say they're giving away prizes and whoever controls that, the Attorney General, State Attorney General's office, or TABC, or whoever, they gotta know better than them. You know, there's not gonna be grown people in there sitting there playing all day, trying to win a stuffed animal. Nope, I don't think so. Anyway, guys, I'll let you go. I'm just babbling along here. Beautiful Sunday. Hope everybody has a great one, and stay blessed. Stay positive. Whatever you do, keep your health. I'm trying. Get old, you gotta focus on it a little bit more, though. It's not as easy as when you were a youngster, you know. So we'll be talking to you later. Adios. Bye-bye.